Evraz plc is a British multinational vertically integrated steel manufacturing and mining company with headquarters in London, England. It has operations mainly in Russia, but also in Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Italy, Czech Republic, the United States, Canada and South Africa. It is listed on the London Stock Exchange and is a constituent of the FTSE 100 index. As of 2015, the ultimate beneficial owners were Roman Abramovich, Chairman Aleksandr Abramov and CEO Aleksandr Frolov. The company was founded as a small metal trading business in 1992. On 2 June 2005, Evraz Group floated some 8.3% of its shares in the form of GDR in London. The company was priced at $14.50 per GDR, implying an equity value of $5.15 billion. An additional 6% stake was placed in January 2006, resulting in a total free float of 14.3%. The company acquired Claymont Steel from HIG Capital in 2008 for US $564.8 million. The mill was closed in December 2013. Evraz sets aside its coal business by the end of the year 2021 on the premise of all needed approvals, according to the group's report of the first half of 2021. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.